Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's CakeBird. Today we're going to be making holographic Among Us stickers. Here's me playing a little bit of Among Us. I was so inspired. I made these super awesome stickers. I hope you guys like them. I worked really hard. I started with a few layers and just kind of went crazy from there. I made all sorts of hats and customizations. If you can't tell, I'm a little obsessed as of lately, and I think everybody else who's playing this game is as well. It's really fun to play with your friends or even just online play. I'm working on my favorite one right here. It's the Jason mask. My second favorite is right next to it. It's the broken egg. I think it's so funny. This is the more advanced version. I recommend you try this out on your own. But we'll get started with the holographic sticker tutorial. These ones are way more simple. You can complicate them if you want, but I just wanted to put together a quick tutorial. This is what they're gonna look like. I love these stickers. I stuck them to my little piggy bank where I keep my change. And make sure you stay tuned for the cyan tutorial at the end. The first thing you're gonna do is start with an outline. I start drawing the back of the sticker in the pink. This is going to represent our holographic layer. You'll see why it's important to draw it on separate layers at the end. The outline was really easy to make. I just kind of looked at a picture and tried to copy it as best as I could. The first layer is the outline, the second layer is the background. Layer 3 is going to be sandwiched in between the two, and it's going to be for the helmet of our little character. I swear this isn't a sponsored video, but I'm using Autodesk. I really love this software. It makes everything easy. I save each layer as its own separate file, so then when I go to Design Space, I can upload them separately and use them as cut files. I open Design Space and then I go to Upload Image. I go to upload my own image, and here you see I have my outline. Design Space already did all the work for me and took out the inside, so it is just a cut of the outline. I save this as an outline cut image, and then I upload my next two images. Right now I'm uploading the helmet, and then the next image I will upload as a cut file is the backing to the sticker. I make sure I have a new project open and I select all of my new uploaded images. I make sure to size them correctly and I move them around to make sure they're exactly how I want them. Now I assign material colors to each layer of vinyl. Each one of our little pictures here is going to be cut out of a separate piece. This will help when we go to cut the material with our Cricut. I like to then move my images around and put them on top of each other so I can get a final picture in my mind of what it will look like when we cut it out of the vinyl. This is how we're going to arrange the stickers as well. We're going to take the outline, put it over the helmet, and then stick it to our back layer of holographic vinyl. I turned the smart guides off because it was affecting how I was able to line up my different layers. I'm arranging it a little more to get it just right. I like to spend some time doing this so I can picture what it will look like when it's done. You don't have to do this step, but I'm going to make a few copies just to see. When I'm done arranging all of my little characters, I'm going to hit Make It. As you can see, I have 3 different types of materials that the Cricut wants to cut. This is exactly how yours should look as well, because we are using 3 separate vinyls. I power up my Cricut and make sure my tools are attached, or I have the ones I need close by. I'm using 3 really cool different types of vinyl and then a special 4th one at the end if you stay tuned. I was picking in between these 2 layers of vinyl. I had a blue holographic and a pink holographic. I decided I would go with the pink holographic because I also had this really beautiful pink matte. I love how reflective it is and the different colors that come out. It looks different in real life versus on the camera. But if you make this at home, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about, and I think you'll really like the result. I start off with my black vinyl. This is going to be our outline, although you can pick any colors that you'd like when you're doing this project. I made sure I could find the permanent one right here. I have a scrap of removable, but I didn't want to use that one. I wanted to use the permanent vinyl. So I opened a new roll. Here I'm just looking at this blue holographic vinyl again. I really liked it, but it wasn't the right color for the project. I think I may do another tutorial involving the blue holographic. Please leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see. Here's a sneak peek of the cyan blue. I just so happen to have this permanent glossy vinyl laying around. I think I got it at Walmart. It was really reasonably priced. It was on sale, and it just so happens that the color is perfect for this surprise project at the end. I make sure my Cricut knows what size vinyl I'm cutting. Right now I have 12 by 12. I have to connect my maker real quick because I am using the Bluetooth function. I don't have it hardwired into my computer. Once it pops up, I'm going to select the material type as vinyl. I'm going to load my tools and stick my vinyl to my mat and have it cut out my images. I'm going to do this for each type of vinyl in each picture. I'm going to put on some music and let you guys watch my Cricut do its thing. We're going to start layering the vinyl. This is one of my favorite parts of the project. I first take apart my outline. I'm sticking my scraps to one of my little drawing notebooks that I had laying around so I don't have them stuck to me by the end of the project. I took the helmet piece, I stuck it underneath the outline, and then I pushed it onto the holographic background. I love how these came out. They're so shiny and perfect. The holographic vinyl is really thick, so it feels secure and sturdy. These are awesome gifts or presents for any of those Among Us fans out there. I stuck a bunch of these to my piggy bank. I thought they were so cute. I had to use them right away. I saved some for my notebooks. I have one hidden inside my desk. I hope you liked my tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But also thanks to everyone who's stuck around to the very end of this long video to see my little cyan tutorial. Here's my Cricut cutting out the blue vinyl that I'll be using. I love this vinyl. It turned out to be the perfect color. This is actually the color of my Among Us character I use every single time I play this game. I'm going to use the same exact vinyl that I used for the first project. I have the black outline that I cut out, also the pink matte vinyl mask. Because it's next to this bright blue, it actually looks more opaque white. I really like that effect that the colors have on each other. It ended up being the perfect color combination and it turned out really nice. Instead of the blue cyan being just a kiss cut, I actually hit the setting to cut out the full sticker so you could hand these out to your friends if you'd like. Once again, I'd like to thank you all for joining me for another tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe and tell me what kind of Cricut tutorials and how-tos that you would like to see. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to making another video for you guys. Bye!